welcome back. So I got this lovely thing just now and delivered, and I got this as a sponsorship for this beginner series. Soon there will be video on sharpening, so I was long due to upgrade that thing over there, and Peter from Tobi Slovenia agreed, and we've been working for quite a while now. He's a record power distributor from Slovenia. That's where I bought my previous lathe, the Regent, the bandsaw as well. So let's open it up. Voila. Let me just ease down the saturation. Okay, so nice brochure. Catalog. Manual, we'll look at as well, and he sent me this is for chewing up the wheels, and I was long overdue as well on the diamond file, so this is new for him as well, and I'm quite eager to try it out. Because I do hone, especially scrapers, I do hone them. This is from Arbortech. You probably know them from the Arbortech turbo plane. So excellent company, and this is 400 grit. So we'll check that out as well. Some magnifying glasses. By the way, this is, I didn't mention this before. This is, let's just focus, 8-inch or 200 mil diameter wheels. Finer stone is, finer wheel is 40 mil wide. The coarser one is 25. The motor input is 0.55 kilowatts, and this is fast grinding wheel. Faster, 2,850 RPMs. So let's go back here to more fun stuff. Let me just place the camera on the tripod. These are the tables, tool rest, guards, and let's take it out. There we go. Now this thing isn't light. This has, I believe, 17 kilos, something like that. So first thing is, this is solid. This is not plastic. The older one is that the base is plastic. And okay, so this wheel, that's actually the biggest wheel I've seen so far. in terms of width. Now I do have also from Peter coming CBN wheel, so that should be next week or something like that. So can't wait for that to try out, and I'll probably do some side-by-side comparison with the white wheel and the CBN wheel performance and such. So okay, so the installation was maybe less than 5 minutes. So just put on the these brackets, these bolts, and for this has magnifying glass here. This is regular. You notice that I didn't put the tool rest on this one. I have a one-way platform, so I'll be using that. So I need to probably raise the grinder off the table. So I'm going to do that. But genuinely, so far this machine feels really quality unit, as a quality unit, especially if you consider the price range. So I believe this one is 130 euro, something like that. And I mean, for this size and everything, I don't think you can get a better one, especially in this price range. So just set up the table and set up the grinder, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is sound check for the old one, old grinder. Now you'll hear hopefully the sound difference between the old one and this new grinder. And I gotta say, when I turn it on, it's beautiful to work without everything rattle around. So this is the long grind from, this is the V-gouge, the only V-gouge I have from Record Power. Now I can even talk while this is spinning. So nice grind. This will be excellent shear scraper. And this is the asymmetric grind. That's nice bevel all the way around. Okay, so as it spools down, this is 100 grit and this is 36 grit wheel. And now as I watch this is much finer than anything that I've ever used. Actually I did have a 120 wheel, and that was actually much too fine for me. I'll play around with more with the setup, like maybe I'll change this to the other side or switch the wheels, although this is 40 mil and it's longer arbor here, so I'll see what I can do once the CBN arrives. So I'm quite happy with this. It's much improvement over the old one. So thank you, Peter, and thank you, Record Power, and off to the new victories. Okay, let's check out the Arbortech diamond file. And I did not know this, but these are both sides coated, and when I compare these two, this is much more heavier, and yeah, I'm quite pleased with this.